Sneezing in sunlight again? Bless you. But wait, it's not dust. And it's not an allergy either. Your nose isn't confused, your nerves are. It's something called the photic sneeze reflex. Completely harmless. Here's what's happening: the nerve that reacts to bright light sits right next to the nerve that controls sneezing. So when bright sunlight hits your eyes, your brain sometimes mixes up the signals and boom! Right in the sunlight. Do you also sneeze when you step into bright light? Tell us in the comments.